In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid tolls on Google Maps. Now, in order for us to get this done, let's go ahead and choose a location. I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then I'm going to click directions, and then you should be seeing something like this. Now, if it has tolls, you should be seeing it here. So it says tolls, and then you have another route that has no tolls. Now, say for example, you want to have or you want to avoid tolls every single time. What you are going to do is just click this one or three dots here, and then you have the options. Here in the options, you have here avoid tolls. So go ahead and toggle this on. So basically what is going to do is that every single time you are going to look for a location, it is going to simply avoid tolls. Say for example here, I'm going to go ahead and click directions. There you go. And then you're no longer seeing here an option that says tolls or no tolls, but you have it here at the top, a filter that says avoiding tolls. And yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.